iOS 13.7 just got released to the public, and this is a proper guide on how you can jailbreak iOS 13.7 using a Windows PC. Hi everyone, my name is Keshav, and as from the title of the video you already know, in this video I'll show you how you can jailbreak your device which is running on iOS 13.7 using a Windows machine and that Checkra1n method. So I'll cover everything in this video, and first of all let me show you my phone is running on iOS 13.7, and if I go to settings, and here you can see this here is an iPhone 7 which is running on iOS 13.7. so I'll show you how you can jailbreak your device, how you can unjailbreak your device, plus at the end of this video I'll also show you how you can restart your device without losing the jailbreak. And for those who don't know, once you restart your device the jailbreak goes away, but I'll show you how you can fix that. So better watch this video till the very end, and let's jump right into it. Okay, before going next, I have to tell you things required in order to perform this jailbreak. I know many of you just want to go to the jailbreak part, but hear me out. Okay, you'll need an iPhone, you'll need a lightning cable, you'll need a Windows machine. This here is an obviously Windows method, and then you'll need a thumb drive. 1 GB or more will be sufficient, but I recommend you getting something like 8 or 16 GB, and that's sufficient. And now let's just jump to my Windows screen. Oh, hey, editor Keshav here. So a quick little thing that I forgot to mention is the list of supported devices with this jailbreak. So all the devices from A5 to A11 are supported with this jailbreak. And for instance, iPhone 10R, 10s Max, 10s and 11 Pro Max and 11 Pro are not supported with this jailbreak. So you can just pause the video and see if your device is compatible with this jailbreak. There is a list of all the supported devices on your screen. This is the phone that I want to jailbreak, and here is my Windows machine. Go to the first link in the description. This will take you to a GitHub page, and then there you will see a download button for 64-bit as well as 32-bit. Depending upon which PC you have, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, just go ahead and click on the download button and the download will start straight away. This is like not a small ISO file, it's like 400 megabytes, so it might take a few minutes downloading it depending upon your internet connection. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll just hit cancel and then go to the first link in the description, which is rufus.ie, and then there you'll see a download button. Just go ahead and click on it and the download will start straight away. This is a pretty small software, like nearly a megabyte, and once it's downloaded you just have to click on it and then open the software. Again, it's very small, no installation needed and all that stuff. I have already opened it, so I'll just go ahead and click cancel and then open the software, and there you can see the software is like this. So I'll just go ahead and minimize Chrome, and here you can see. Okay, so under devices section you'll see blank, and now you have to grab the thumb drive and then just go ahead and plug it into your PC. And then once it's in, you'll just see the name of your USB drive in Rufus. So what a weird name for my USB drive. Just go ahead and where it says to select a ISO image, just go ahead and click on the select button. And now you remember we have downloaded that file which was something like 400 megabytes, which is boot train. I told you that 64 and 32-bit and all that stuff, you have to select that file in Rufus. So here it is under the download section, and as you can see it's 421 megabytes. You have to select the ISO file in Rufus software. Make it clear, select the ISO file in Rufus software. Make sure your USB drive is still plugged in to your PC. So here it is, I just selected it, and leave everything as it is. Just go ahead and click on start button, then again hit yes. If it fails for the first time, you just have to do it for the second time, and then just go ahead and click OK, again OK, and all that stuff. One thing that I want to tell you is all your data from your USB will be gone, so better back up the data in your USB to your computer or to another USB. So we'll wait, it might take a few minutes depending upon the speed of your PC, and here you can see the log as well. And there you go. It took me somewhere around 2 minutes making the USB bootable drive, and once you are done with it, you don't have to unplug the USB yet. So I'll tell you a few things. So now if I go to any browser, and I'll show you if I search for Checkra1n, many websites will claim that you can install Checkra1n without even using a USB drive, without even using a Windows machine. That's not possible. Checkra1n is a kernel level exploit which can be only triggered if you have a Windows or a Mac machine. So yeah, if any app or website says that do this human verification, download this app, that app, it's whole scam. You can't do it without a PC. And now you just have to grab the lightning cable, and here it is, and then just go ahead and plug the lightning cable. And another thing that I want to tell you is that don't plug the lightning cable in USB 3.0 slot. So as you can see, this slot is USB 3.0 which says a Thunderbolt sign, that is 3.0, and this one which I plugged it into, it didn't have any Thunderbolt sign, so this is a USB 2.0 slot. So yeah, just take care of that. You have to just connect your phone to your PC using a high quality lightning cable, and this is a quite important part. You just have to go to settings, touch ID and passcode, and remove any kind of passcode or password on your iPhone, whatever you want to call it. So once you remove that, like why I'm telling you to remove the password on your iPhone, if you jailbreak with a password, you might face problems. Like that's just completely up to you if you want to remove it or not. My recommendation is you remove the password from your iPhone. And now once you do all that, you remove the password on your iPhone, you just have to click on that Windows button and then hit shutdown. Yes, you have to shut down your PC and shut down anyway. Okay, once your computer is completely shut down, make sure your pen drive is plugged in. I'm again and again saying this because many people just unplug their pen drive. Don't do that until I say. And then make sure your phone is still connected to your PC via lightning cable, and then you just have to power on your PC while pressing a key to enter in one-time boot menu simultaneously. You just have to again and again press on that key until you'll see preparing one-time boot menu on your PC or computer whatsoever. So how do you know which is the key to enter in one-time boot menu? It's usually F3, F9 or F12. I'm using a Dell laptop. For me it's F12. You can always search on internet, and I'll link an article down in the description below just so you can check it out, which is the key to enter in one-time boot menu for your laptop. And then your USB is plugged in, your phone is connected, and there you'll see an option for your pen drive to boot into your pen drive. So you just have to use the arrow keys and then just go ahead and select your pen drive. If you don't see your pen drive there, just reboot the computer and then just click on enter, and you are booting through your pen drive. And there you'll see an option to boot through USB safe, graphics safe, and then RAM. You just have to select the first one and then again click on enter, and then it will boot into Boot-Rain. It's not confusing. Let me break it down for you. Just power on your PC, press the key in order to enter in one-time boot menu, and then just select your pen drive and then just select the USB safe and click on enter. And there you can see Boot-Rain has successfully loaded up, and at the end it says that void live login and all that stuff. Just go ahead and grab your phone, and there it will say trust or don't trust. Click on trust. This is quite important. And then just keep your phone at a side, and then it will say void live login. You just have to use your keyboard and type anon. I'll link it down in the description below and on the screen. So you just have to type in anon, and here you can see, then hit enter, and then password you have to type void linux. It's there on your screen as well as in the description. If you type the password won't show up, and yeah, it's like this. So you just have to hit enter. So now once you have successfully entered the password, it will say the date and the last login and all that stuff, and then it will say anon@void and then /live. You just have to type in sudo checkline. It's there on your screen. It's linked down in the description below. All the commands, all the links and everything is in the description box, so have a peek there. So I'll type sudo checkline. So as you can see, you just have to type like this and then hit enter, and there you go, Checkra1n is live. But there is another problem. Just read what's on your screen. It says that sorry, iPhone 7 is supported but iOS 13.7 is not. How to deal with it? So let me again show you. My phone is running on iOS 13.7 because many people just think that it's fake. So there you go. Okay, so how you can fix that iPhone 7 is supported but iPhone Okay, so there is a major problem there. It says that iPhone 7 is supported but iOS 13.7 is not. How to deal with it? So there is a quick solution, and you just have to go to options, hit enter, and then using the arrow keys scroll above to allow untested iPadOS, tvOS and iOS version. When you are there, you just have to press enter and put a check mark on allow untested iPad and iOS version. This is not going to harm your device, and many people think that if they don't use this carefully and all that stuff, their device will get break. Nothing will happen to your device. At the most, if you don't do it correctly, you'll be booted back into iOS and you won't be able to jailbreak. You just have to try it again and then you'll be able to jailbreak. So now it says that warning, iOS 13.7 is untested, continue at your own risk. So nothing will happen to your device, it's my guarantee, and I'm gonna use it on my device also. So yeah, you just have to click on start button and then hit enter, and then it again says all of that stuff. Just don't worry, nothing will happen. It says that device may fail to boot, nothing will happen. I'm gonna show you it works on my device too. So you just have to hit enter, and then it says that the device needs to be put into DFU mode in order to apply the jailbreak. This is a manual process and will guide you through it. So you just have to hit next, and you can see your phone is entering into recovery mode. Don't worry, nothing will happen to your device. Just do all the steps carefully. If you don't do it carefully, nothing will happen. You'll be booted back to iOS. And then there it says that this is a quite important process. Time to put your device into DFU mode. Locate the buttons that are marked below of your device and check the instructions on the right before clicking start. So for me it's different, for you it might be different. So you just have to do it on your own. So it says that you have to press the side button, which is this button, for 4 seconds, and then press the volume down button for 10 seconds. So let me show you how to do that. So you just have to click on the enter button and then start simultaneously. So I'll just hit enter button, and then I just have to press both volume down button as well as the power button for 4 seconds, and then release the side button after 4 seconds. So you can see the instructions on your screen, you just have to follow them. So it says that device entered in DFU mode successfully, and then have a look on my device. So it says that booting and all that stuff. So you'll see crazy codes going on your screen. It's Checkra1n, it's free to use, and there you go. Your device is booting back to iOS, and yeah, it says all done. But for people, it might say something like error code -78 and all that stuff. So at the end of this video, I have a fix for every problem you face. Yes, I do have, so a thumbs up for that. And if you face any error, the easiest problem to solve that error is to remove the passcode, as I already told you in the beginning of the video. So there you can see, you'll see an option to trust, and I'll hit trust again, and you can see a Checkra1n icon on your home screen. But if you don't, you just have to wait for a minute and the Checkra1n icon will appear on your home screen. Make sure you don't disconnect your phone via the lightning cable, and don't even remove the your thumb drive too. So you just have to click on the Checkra1n, and then it will say unable to fetch bootstraps. You just have to connect your phone to an internet connection. You can use cellular data as well as or Wi-Fi or hotspot. It's up to you. As you can see, my phone is connected to Wi-Fi. I'll just close out the task and re-enter into Checkra1n, and there you can see it says an option to install Cydia. So you just have to click on Cydia here, and then you just have to click on install Cydia. So it will download base system and all that stuff. Make sure your phone is still connected to an internet connection and through the lightning cable to the PC also. So it's saying that it's downloading the base system. So this might take a few minutes depending upon the speed of your internet. So you have to wait. So now it says it's downloading Cydia, it's installing Cydia. And you can see it automatically exits Checkra1n, and again I'm showing you I'm running on iOS 13.7. Yeah, there you go, it's 13.7. Cydia is successfully installed on our phone, and if we launch Cydia, I'll just scroll down, and here you can see iOS 13.7 and all that stuff. So now you have successfully installed Cydia on your machine, and your Windows machine is still there. But I have to tell you again an important thing. Like, many people just do this jailbreak and they comment down how they can exit Checkra1n. hit enter, and you just have to go to the home screen of Checkra1n, and then you have to just force power off your PC. So you just have to keep holding the power button, and there you go, your PC is successfully powered off. And you just have to unplug the USB, and if I boot back my PC and power it on, there you can see my laptop is booting back to Windows. Nothing happened to my PC, nothing happened to my phone. And then you can now disconnect your phone with your PC. So now, as I've already promised you how you can fix reboot issues with Checkra1n so that you can reboot as many times as you want without losing the jailbreak. Just go ahead and open Cydia, then go to the sources tab and hit on that little edit button, and then you just have to click on that little add button, and the source you have to add is linked down in the description below as well as on your screen. It's imadcydia.com. And there you go, this is the source. You just have to hit on add source and it will verify the UI. There you go, it's updating sources. It might take a couple of seconds, so you just have to wait until it updates all of its sources. And then once you do that, you just have to hit return Cydia, and there you go, under the sources tab you'll see a imad repo here. Just click on that, go to tweaks, and then there you'll see safe shutdown cracked. Just go ahead and click on that, hit install, and then again hit confirm. So this will install the tweak. This might take a few minutes depending upon your internet connection, so you have to be patient. Once you do that, this will say to restart the Springboard. Then you just have to click on restart Springboard, and once you have successfully installed the tweak, you just have to go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you see safe shutdown. Just click on that, and then you'll see tweak enabled. Just disable the tweak and then re-enable it to run the tweak. And then once you long press on the power button, there you'll see there are a lot of sliders, so you just have to select the last one and then just slide it, and there you go, the phone is completely powered off. Nothing happens to our device if we press the volume buttons as well as the home button, but if we long press on the power button, the phone will turn on. And there you go, the phone is completely turned on. You can reboot as many times as you want, and there is the icon of safe shutdown. So as I've already told you, this will be a proper guide on jailbreaking, and now I'll show you how you can unjailbreak your device. So whether you have to send your phone to Apple Store or you have to claim warranty, you have to unjailbreak your device, and rebooting is not a proper way to unjailbreak your device. So how you can unjailbreak your device? So you just have to again open Checkra1n, and then an option to restore system. Just click on restore system, and then there you can see uninstall all jailbreak files and other changes in the operating system without even erasing the data. This won't erase the data and erase all the jailbreak files. And there you go, the phone has been successfully rebooted and the jailbreak is uninstalled. No Cydia, no Checkra1n, nothing whatsoever, and my data is completely there. So if, for instance, let me show you, my Apple ID is still connected. Pretty much marks the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, a thumbs up and a sub to the channel would be phenomenal, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Peace.